Hi, Barbara Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors. As you know, the real estate market in 2023 has been crazy. Most people, whether they're selling their home or buying a home, usually work with their own agent who is representing their interests. But suppose you go to an open house, love the house, and decide to write an offer on the house even though you don't have a buyer agent. If not careful, you could be in a dual agency situation. In my opinion, there are more potential conflicts with dual agency. You may think the agent will cut their commission, but there is no guarantee of that. The dual agent is not your agent, and you won't have someone advocating 100% for you and your interests. If you were in a divorce situation, would you use the same lawyer as the other party? Probably not. In a dual agency situation, neither buyer nor seller gets the benefits they should from their agent. If you want to find out more on the pros and cons of dual agency, hop on over to my blog at yourrichmondhome.com to find out more. This is Barbara Reagan with Long and Foster Realtors. Have a great day.